Hello and welcome back. So, first I'd like to thank all of my new subscribers and everyone that put in all of those really nice comments today. It was really very helpful. If you saw my post earlier this morning, I had gained a pound and was feeling very disheartened about this whole process. So that was a big help for me. Thank you. The rest of the day went pretty well. I wasn't too hungry and was able to make it to 1 o'clock to get my lunch in, where I had some leftovers from yesterday. After that, it was smooth sailing till dinner time, where I had a wild rice and quinoa bowl with some black beans and corn. It was just tough dealing with having such good weight loss for the first 3 days, 2 pounds a day almost, a little bit more yesterday, and then having it just stop and go backwards, feeling like the whole thing, all of this that I was doing was for nothing. And that's what they don't tell you. What they don't tell you is it is a process and it does keep going and it fluctuates. It's not going to lose weight every single day. I understand that. It's just disheartening when I go backwards. I'd rather it, obviously I'd rather it just maintain for a day and then lose some weight maybe 2 days later. But that's not the case. So again, thank you for all the nice comments, everybody. And if this is your first time watching, please hit subscribe and comment your comments down in the comments. I really want to know what's going on, what you think of this, and any tips or tricks that you have for me. Thanks.